I am scared of what love does to people. I have seen it ruin friendships and relationships in the past. I have seen it make people hate one another. I have seen sadness, anger, violence, and a lot of pain caused by love. But with you, I don't see that. All I see is joy, happiness, fun, and peace. I don't know why we argue. I mean, what's there to even fight about? I just really love being with you. When I look at you, I see someone that completes me. You are everything that I could ever want in another person. You have shown me that true love does exist and that I can find it in myself to love another person. I love you, baby. I wonder what it is about you that makes me love you as much as I do. Not could it be your eyes? They are so beautiful that they could bring nations to their knees. Could it be your hair so luxurious and enchanting that it could make a powerful emperor become a fool? Or maybe it's your smile, that beautiful green that shines brighter than the sun. It could be anything really, but I think it's your personality. It's so beautiful, kind, and caring that it makes me love you as much as I do. You know, they say that the stars are just the sun's atoms. Years later, when they have burnt out, I think that you and I are like the stars from far away. We are just two people, but up close, anyone can see that we are much, much more. I saw a quote on that said deep breaths cast shallow thoughts. I think deep thoughts cast shallow breaths. Whenever I think about you, I tend to forget to breathe. That's how I know I am head over heels for you. You have brought meaning to my life. Before I meet you, every day was dull and boring. But when I saw you for the first time, I knew that life was going to be a lot more fun from then on out. I am glad you came into my life. I love you. I feel so happy when you are around. I feel so at ease and contact. I feel like everything's going to turn out okay as long as you are with me. I can't imagine what my life would be like without you. You have made me the happiest man on the planet. Your absence has only made me realize how deeply in I am in love with you. I long to be with you, to feel your touch and to see your beautiful smile. Until then, my heart will ache with missing you. No distance can diminish the love I have for you. My heart, my heart beats for you even when we are apart. I miss you more than words can express, honey. I know we have not met in person, but that doesn't mean we are not meant to be together. I want you to know that you have already occupied the most precious place in my heart. I love you so much. If you are there, say hi to me, honey.